Learners and leaders. Two great buildings, one fabulous school.
My name is Lynn, and I'm the school leader. Here at Learners and Leaders, we like to say we have two great buildings and we're one fabulous school. Today we want to give you the kindergarten experience. You will meet kindergarten teachers, visit kindergarten classrooms, and see other facilities that your children will use during their educational life here at the school.
Hi, welcome to the 305 campus. Come on in, let me give you a tour of our building. Welcome to Learners and Leaders. I'm Miss Sabrina, one of the assistant principals. I welcome you to our school community. I'd love to show you around at our fabulous building. Meet Miss Arlene. She's our safety agent. Hi. She makes sure that all of the boys and girls are safe. She even knows all of the boys and girls' first names, and even their family members. This is our cafeteria. Meet Miss Maria, our head cook.
Hi everybody, welcome to my school.
So this is our cafeteria. This is where the boys and girls get to have lunch each and every day. In addition, we use this space for morning arrival and dismissal. My very favorite place of all is when the boys and girls get to go and play over at the playground right behind me. Come check it out. Welcome to the 305 campus playground. This is my favorite place of all. This is a place where the boys and girls get to come outside for recess and play with their friends. Don't worry, we got you covered, because on days like today, if there's snow on the ground or rain outside, boys and girls get a chance to play inside in the gym. Here's our main office. Come on in. This is the heart of our school. This is the main office. Parents, if you have any questions or concerns, you can call the main office and one of our friendly staff members is always available here to help you with any questions you may have. Meet one of our school aides, Miss Michelle.
Please hold. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to our school. Can't wait to meet you all. Bienvenidos a nuestra escuela, familias. Espero conocerlo pronto.
And here is one of our fabulous paraprofessionals, Miss Soha.
Hi everyone, I am Miss Soha. I am one of the paraprofessionals at PS 305 and I'm also help the school to communicate with Arabic speaking parents. Hi, معكم مس سهى. بشتغل هنا paraprofessional وبساعد المدرسة انها تتواصل مع العائلات اللي بتتكلم عربي.
Welcome to the nurse's office. Meet Miss Beljeet. She's our full-time school nurse.
Hello everyone, welcome to PS 305. I just want to share with you that if your child has any medical concern or any medical issues, you can always reach out to me. Always welcome here.
Hi, I'm Miss Williams. I'm one of the pre-K teachers here at PS 305, and I am so glad that you're looking forward to coming to our school. Now, I would like to go over our daily schedule of what we do here in pre-K all day. Now, we have arrival when they first get here. Then they have a nice breakfast that is served every day. We have morning meeting when we discuss everything or the different units that we're studying. We study transportation, we study about light, about water. We have center time when they go into all the various centers.
Welcome incoming pre-K children. I am a pre-K teacher here at Learners and Leaders. And I get to spend the day with 18 wonderful 4-year-olds where they play most of the day. And amazingly, we actually learn through play. The kids go into kitchen and they role play. They play moms and dads, sisters and brothers. They have birthday parties, restaurants. They'll move into blocks where they're building homes, bridges. We have pictures of various buildings from around the world that the children like to replicate. Move over into math. They're counting, doing colors, playing with shapes, building things out of magnetic tiles, puzzles. They're naming the objects that we find in puzzles, making patterns out of different shapes. Over in art, they're drawing pictures of buildings they see in their neighborhood or their houses or animals and where they live. When you move over into water, they're learning about things that sink and float and how we can make different colors when we mix red and blue, and wow, look at that, we made purple. There's many things you can learn while you're playing. We also touch into the social emotional learning of our children. When they come in the morning, we always ask them how they're feeling and what they did the night before. We check in to make sure that they're feeling happy, and if they're sad, we ask them why. We have a cozy little corner where they can go with some stuffed animals and do different breathing exercises to make them feel better if they're feeling angry or sad or frustrated. We also like to tap in on things that they like to do. The centers that we have are based on where they want to go. It's not my job to tell you where you want to play today, but it's yours. So maybe you want to play in kitchen today, but maybe blocks is your favorite center tomorrow. Anywhere you want to go is where you're headed. We hope to see you in September here at Learners and Leaders. Enjoy.
We have outdoor play every day.
Hi, my name is Miss Callwood, and I am a pre-K teacher here at Learners and Leaders. I am so excited to share with you that the boys and girls get to go out and explore every day and have their outdoor play, which is our outdoor recess or our movement, where we're also learning how they can develop their gross motor skills. We see them running and jumping and climbing and being able to take turns with each other, kicking balls, riding bicycles, tricycles, and even scooters. So we are so excited that the boys and girls are able to enjoy all these benefits here at our school.
And they have a nice hot lunch that's prepared for them every day.
In pre-K, lunch is also served in our classroom. It is set up as a family style where we're able to share our lunch for the boys and the girls, and they also get a turn to share lunch to their friends, which also helps to develop their math skills in counting how many more students need milk, how many more students need apples. So even during lunch, they are still learning. After lunch is nap time. After all that food, we need rest. So the boys and girls are able to lie down. They can lie down quietly. They do not have to sleep, but we do encourage their bodies to rest for a few minutes throughout the day. That is our day. Looking forward to seeing you in the fall.
We have several read alouds during the day, and they're encouraged to read books on their own throughout the entire day. And then we have centers again in the afternoon. And then we have dismissal, where we take them back to their parents. So they have a very interesting, very wonderful day of learning and just getting to know each other right here at PS 305 Pre-K.
At Learners and Leaders, protecting everyone from coronavirus is very important. We promote safe behaviors throughout the school.
Hi, my name is Mr. Vic, and I am the other assistant principal at Learners and Leaders. This is the TRS Gymatorium. It is both a gymnasium and an auditorium. When it is a gymnasium, students in grades 3, 4, and 5 visit and participate in physical activity. Just like in the 305 campus, stations are set up that they visit. When it is an auditorium, students from both buildings come and visit. They can perform and watch performance at the TRS campus. And this is our all-purpose room that we converted into a gymnasium where students come and perform physical activities at each and every one of the centers that are set up. This is one of our 2 art rooms at Learners and Leaders. Children come to the art room to express themselves artistically in different mediums of art. Not only do we teach art at Learners and Leaders, we also have partnerships with outside organizations where children have made murals in this building and also in our feeding middle school. These two beautiful murals that you see at the front entrance of the TRS building were done by former 5th grade students. We received a grant that collaborated us with IS 93. The students from IS 93 were former students of Learners and Leaders. The Colorful World of Friendship is a beautiful mural that is proudly displayed on the first floor of the 305 campus. We received a grant that allowed 4th and 5th grade students to create this beautiful artistic display. This is the TRS Campus Science Lab. Students in grades K to 2 learn science in their classroom, but students in grades 3, 4, and 5 receive their instruction right here in this wonderful science lab. This is one of our 2 libraries at Learners and Leaders. Children have free access to all the wonderful literature books that you see on the shelves next to me. Also, during the day, the library is converted into a technology lab where students learn wonderful programs such as coding.
Coding, coding, coding! Coding with Cody!
Hi everyone, it's me, Cody the Coding Dog. And I'm so excited because you know why they call me the Coding Dog? Because I love coding.
We have a very committed parent empowerment program. School personnel works together with parents. Parents also have the opportunity to join the PTA Executive Board school leadership team and can volunteer within the school. When volunteering in the school, they can be helping out the PTA, helping in the cafeteria, and helping with clerical work within the main office, or even help teachers out. Thank you so much for considering our school and meeting your child's educational needs. See you soon.
We've hoped you've enjoyed this virtual tour of our very special school. Finding the right school for your child can be challenging and a little frightening. At Learners and Leaders, every child is precious to every member of our staff. If you send your child to Learners and Leaders, you can be confident that your child will be with loving, caring, and highly trained teachers. We know this has been a hard year because of COVID. If COVID is still an issue in September, then we will continue to do everything we can to ensure that to promote safe behaviors and ensure that everyone stays safe and healthy. We hope to see you soon.